My name is Deidre Haynes. I am the founder and owner of the Law Office of Deidre Haynes. Our firm specifically focuses on family law, personal injury, and employment litigation. In family law, we have a niche in regards to father's rights. With employment discrimination, we focus on race discrimination. And with personal injury, we do motor vehicle accidents and with a niche in regards to nursing home, abuse, and neglect. It makes us feel very excited when we know that we can get the results that our clients need because we are a voice for them. Many individuals hire our firm because we have 3 niche practices. One specifically, I did not know my father, and so that's why we focus on father's rights. Secondly, I was also discriminated against in the workplace regarding my race and gender, and so I know the pain and the hurt and the frustration of that area. And then third, my mother was a victim of nursing home neglect and abuse. Therefore, I try to really bring in the focus that's very dear to my heart. Past and current clients would say that we know how to listen. Many times lawyers like to talk, but we are quick to listen and slow to speak. And so they're gonna be able to tell you that we're listeners and that we're very caring individuals, each one of us, from the lawyers, the paralegals, our case managers, and even down to our intake specialist who answers the phone. Client communication is very important here at the Law Office of Deidre Haynes. We simply will not let any client go without having an answer. We try to immediately respond to our clients' questions that they may have within 24 to 48 hours. And we have currently implemented a system here at the Law Office that's called Law Ruler. So we automatically get in touch with our clients at least every 30 days. What makes my law firm different from other firms is that I teach every attorney here at my office not to be afraid to ask questions. We are mentored by the best of the best. One of my mentors is Daryl Isaac the Hammer out of Indianapolis and Kentucky and also Ohio. But we're also friends with Ben Crump as well. And so I can easily pick up the phone and call some of my mentors in regards to personal injury, family law, or employment discrimination. Our firm is different because we're not afraid to reach out and ask for help from people who may know more than us. Therefore, we want to make sure that our clients have the most experienced attorneys and paralegals on their case. My firm is technically still considered a small firm. We are a staff of 7, and we like it that way. That does not mean that we're not willing to grow because we are growing at a rapid pace. But when you are a small firm, you're able to be more intimate with your clients, and you're also able to be more intimate with your staff. I do not handle every single case that comes into the Law Office of Deidre Haynes. I do delegate those cases, some to myself, some to the other 2 attorneys here in the office, but we're a team. What I can tell you is that I make sure that my fingerprint is up on each and every case, so I oversee and supervise each case. If I could add anything to this, I would simply say that we are a voice for the voiceless. So if you have tried to have a voice for yourself and people have turned you away or have not listened, please pick up the phone and give us a call. We're known to be a voice for those in the courtroom. What you should expect during your initial consultation is a listening ear. Without us listening to your facts of your story, your concerns, your fears, your frustration, we would never be able to find a strategy for you. And so once you call the Law Office of Deidre Haynes, you're going to know that we're compassionate and that we're caring here. We're not just going to get you on the phone and listen to what you have to say and then hang up. We're going to listen to what you have to say and we're going to go to work for you.